In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get API keys and tokens for Trello in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each aspect clearly. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Trello's homepage and click on the login button. This action will take you to the login interface. If you're using Google to access Trello, simply click on the Google option and select the account you want to log in with. This streamlines the process and gets you into the Trello environment quickly because it bypasses the need to remember another password. Once you're logged in, you'll need to direct your attention to the Power Ups admin page on Trello. So go ahead and type https:/trello.com/powerupsadmin into your browser. This URL is your gateway to creating new power-ups or integrations for Trello, which is essential when you're looking to work with API keys and tokens. On the Power-Ups admin page, look for the New button and give it a click. This is your next step in creating a new power-up or integration. You'll see a form appear that requests some details about what you're looking to set up. It's important here to fill in all the necessary details accurately. These details might include your power-up or integration name, description, website, and email. Make sure the website and email fields in particular are correct. Incorrect information here could complicate later stages. After double checking that all your details are spot on, click on the Create button. This action records your new power-up or integration in Trello's system, paving the way for you to get the API key. With your power-up created, navigate to the API key tab. This is where the magic happens, as this section allows you to generate a new API key. To do this, simply click on Generate a new API key. Trello will quickly create a unique key for you. Once the API key is generated, you should immediately see an option to copy it. It's important to copy this key and store it safely, perhaps in a secure document or a password manager. This API key allows your applications to securely communicate with Trello and should be treated with the utmost care to prevent unauthorized access. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully obtained an API key for your Trello integration or power-up. Keeping track of this key ensures you maintain uninterrupted access to the services you're developing or utilizing. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough to be clear and helpful. Happy coding, and good luck with your Trello integrations.